everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Opensea on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to log out of your profile on Opensea, tap open your Opensea app first, and once you are in your home page, if you are logged into your account, to log out simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the page. Your profile page will be displayed on the screen. Simply go to the upper right hand corner and you should see an exit kinda icon. Give it a tap and in the pop-up, confirm if you'd like to log out of your account. Tap log out to do so, and there you have successfully logged out of a wallet on your Opensea application. If you need to log in back again, select one of the wallet and connect with Opensea. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.